working where we're ahead when it comes to our work skills, the things we learned from our roles at Cristo Rey, compared to anybody from a public high school. So we're actually ahead. So what you do with that is completely up to you. What field you want to use those skills in, what you want to stay in, and how much drive you want to, and actually use that, that's up to you. But you definitely have an advantage over a lot of people who are applying. And also, remember that you are ahead of the game, and to use those skills when you're in interviews, talk about those things that to you may seem normal, they're not. When I was doing the interview to be a manager, they're like, how do you want to be a manager if you just started here? I was like, well, let me explain. Let me backtrack what I've already done. I've been a manager. I've done this. I've worked in the financial sales industry for about more than 7 years. They're like, how old are you? I'm like, I'm 22. I got promoted when I was 22. I am in charge of people who are twice my age. I have a 45-year-old employee who always jokes about that. He's like, man, you could be my son. And it's funny. But he's like, but my son can't teach me the things you teach me. And I had never seen as much diversity as I did when I walked into the corporate building at US Bank. I was like, wow, they really do believe in diversity. And to be the only manager who is a minority on the floor that I am, and to do that so quickly, that also tells me something. That tells me they look at, they don't look at color or race, they look at who you are and what you can contribute, right? And they do help you develop within, if they see the skills, right? Which all of you guys have.